USA Network has confirmed its upcoming reboot of the 2001 reality series Temptation Island. The 10-episode revival, produced by Banijay Studios North America, will premiere on January 15 with Mark L. Walberg, who hosted the original, returning as host. Temptation Island, which had been in the works at USA for the past few months, is part of the network's aggressive expansion into unscripted series as it is preparing for the departure of WWE Smackdown next fall. Temptation Island follows 4 dating couples at a pivotal time in their relationship, where they must mutually decide if they are ready to commit to one another for the rest of their lives, or should go their separate ways. Together, the couples travel to the tropical paradise of Maui, Hawaii, where they join 24 eligible men and women. There, they live the single life, in a test that is meant to help answer their most difficult questions about their relationship.
Temptation Island is set to debut ahead of CBS Love Island, based on the hit British show, with at least one more relationship reality series on a tropical island currently in the works. In a period of revival television, the return of Temptation Island, a show that leapt onto the scene with equal parts ratings bang and media attention, makes all the sense in the world, said David Goldberg, CEO, Banijay Studios North America. Temptation Island retains key format elements, but a concerted effort was made to populate the island with singles genuinely looking for love whose personalities are appealing to the 4 couples who are questioning the long-term viability of their relationships. Temptation Island has never been more relevant because in so many ways it mirrors the way singles and couples navigate today's myriad of options to connect. The original Temptation Island, based on an European format, was Walberg and ran on Fox for 3 seasons. Like the reboot, it featured 4 couples who get separated when they arrive at an exotic island location, with the 4 guys living in one section with a dozen female models, and the 4 women residing in another section with a dozen attractive men. USA Network The show courted controversy from the start, with one of the original couples removed from the show when the producers learned that the pair had children together. The first season was a breakout ratings juggernaut for Fox and an instant pop culture phenom, but the numbers dropped in seasons 2 and 3. Temptation Island joins USA's unscripted series slate that includes long-running hit Chrisley Knows Best, Breakout Miz and Mrs, from Banijays Bunim-Murray Prods, and upcoming music competition show Real Country. As cable's #1 entertainment network for 12 years and running, USA is home to some of the most talked about shows on TV, said Chris McCumber, President, Entertainment Networks for NBCUniversal Cable Entertainment. Our reboot of Temptation Island is sure to spark intrigue, debate and conversation for a whole new generation of viewers. Temptation Island is executive produced by Banijay Studios North America's David Goldberg and Caroline Baumgard. Scott Jeffress also serves as executive producer.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.